Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove Bumble application on your phone. First of all, find Bumble application on your device and long press on it. After that, you can say remove application at the bottom of the options here. Click on it. Now click on delete app button. After that, again click on delete to delete Bumble application. You can also remove this application from settings. Open your settings. Now go to general and go to your storage option. After that, you need to find Bumble on this list here. Or you can also search for it at the top search bar. Simply type in the name of the application and click on it. Here you can say delete application option and upload application. Click on delete application and confirm it once again. After that, the application will be deleted. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.